Good morning friends. Today we are going to solving the problem of pentagon plane. Okay, let's see this question. In question given that a regular pentagon plate is resting in VP. Okay, means plane is resting in VP on one of its side. Okay, one of its side. Surface makes an angle of 45 degree to the VP. Okay, means here angle is given 45 degree to the VP. Okay, here plane is resting in VP. Okay, so my first stage for VP, second stage for phi, and third stage for theta. Okay, here surface makes an angle 45 degree to VP, means phi is equal to 45 degree. The side on which it rests is makes an 60 degree to HP. Okay, means theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and it's made by the resting side, the side on which plane is resting. Okay, this side makes an angle of 60 degree with the HP. Okay, draw the projection of pentagonal plate having the sides of 30 mm. Okay, means we require to draw the pentagon of 30 mm side. Okay, so first I draw the reference line at here. Here plane is resting in VP, so we draw the pentagon on vertical plane, okay, above the reference line, and this plane is resting on side. Okay, so we draw the side on left hand side. Okay, so here I first draw the pentagon of 30 mm side. Okay, here I draw one line of 30 mm side. Okay, this is equal to 30 mm. Okay, I explained the method of drawing the pentagon in third lecture. Okay, I give the name A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. Okay, so I completed the front view. Now drawing the top view, I just simply take the projection. Here I get my point AB, here I get my point CE, and here I get my point D. Okay, here if I see from the top, then point B and C are hidden point. Okay, so this line give me the top view for the first stage. Okay, now let's come to the second stage. Here in second stage given that surface makes an angle of 45 degree to VP. Okay, so we represent this angle on horizontal. Okay, so for that first I mark the point A and B at here, A and B at here. Now I draw one line at angle of 45 degree at here. This angle is phi is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now I just simply measure this distance A to D at here. Okay, and draw one arc from point A. I take A as a center and AD as a radius. I draw one arc, okay, which intersected here. Okay, so here I give the name D. For getting point C and A, I take the distance of DE. Okay, now I take D as a center and draw one arc which intersected here. So here I get my point C and E. Okay, so this line give me the top view for the second stage. Okay, now for front view, I just simply take the projection. Okay, I take the projection from point A. And from here, so intersection of this line give me the point A dash. Okay, similarly for point B, I take the projection from here and from here. So intersection of this line give me the point B dash. Okay, similarly for C dash, I take projection from here from this point and from this point. So here intersection of two lines give me the point C dash. Okay, now for point D, I take the projection from here and from here. Okay, so and for point E, I take the projection from here and from here. So intersection of these two lines give me the point E dash. Okay, so after joining this point A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash, D dash, E dash, and E dash, E dash. Okay, I complete the front view for the second stage. Okay, now in third stage, given that the side on which plane is resting makes an angle 60 degree with the HP. Okay, plane makes an angle with HP, so we represent this angle on vertical plane. Okay, before that, first I check that the length of the side on which plane is resting is constant or not. Okay, here plane is resting on side AB. Okay, and here length of AB is equal to 30 m and here AB is equal to 30 m. So length is constant in both stage, so we not required to find the apparent angle. Okay, we directly take the 60 degree. Okay, so first I draw one line at angle of 60 degree. Now I require to draw this pentagon at here. Okay, side AB at 60 degree. Okay, so I use the rectangle method, so that first I draw one rectangle at here. I give the name 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first I draw this rectangle at here. Okay, for that I measure the distance 2 to 1 or 1 to 2 at here. Okay, and draw one arc at here. Okay, so here I get my 2 point 1 and 2. Okay, now for getting another 2 point, I draw two perpendicular line, one from point 2 and second from point 1. Okay, now I measure the distance 3 to 2 and mark the arc from point 2 and from point 1. Okay, so here I get my point 3 and here I get my point 4. Okay, so after joining 3 and 4, I get my rectangle. Okay, now I draw this pentagon in this rectangle box. Okay, so for that first I measure the distance 1 A dash. Okay, now I take 1 as a center and 1 A dash as a radius. I draw one arc at here. Okay, so here I get my point A dash. Now from point A dash I measure the distance 30 mm and get my point B dash at here. Okay, now for point D I take the distance of 3 to D dash. Okay, and from 3 point I draw one arc at here. So here I get my point D dash. Okay, now for point C dash I take the distance of C dash 2. Okay, now I take 2 as a center and draw one arc at here. Now I take 1 as a center and draw one arc at here. Okay, so I get one point at here and one point at here. Okay, here I get my point C dash and here I get my point E dash. Okay, so after joining this point A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash, D dash, E dash, and E dash, A dash. Okay, I get my front view. Okay, now for drawing the top view, I just simply take the projection. Okay, I start with the point A. For point A, I take the projection from here. Okay, and from here, so I get my point A at here. For point B, I take the projection from here. Okay, and from here, so here I get my point B. For point C, I take the projection from here. And from here. So here I get my point C. Now for point D, I take the projection from here and from here. So I get my point D at here. Now for point A, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point E. Okay, joining this point AB, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Okay, so in this way I draw the top view for the third stage. Okay, so before ending I just checked that the side on which plane is resting is on reference line or not. Okay, here plane is resting on side AB. Okay, so I just checked that point A and B is on reference line or not. Okay, here in first stage point A and B on reference line, here in second stage point A and B on reference line, and at here in third stage point A and B on reference line. Okay, so here I complete this problem. Thank you.